Not all combinations with walnuts are beneficial. Some pairings can actually be harmful to your health. Keep watching to find out which food pairings to avoid when eating walnuts. Although these nuts are celebrated as a superfood, there are many more nuances regarding their benefits. They are rich in nutrients that boost brain function, promote heart health, and fight inflammation. Walnuts have become a diet staple thanks to their omega-3 fatty acids and natural antioxidants. But did you know that consuming walnuts the wrong way could actually harm you? Thanks to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, today we'll discover how even these nutrient-rich nuts can carry risks when combined with certain foods. Some bad food pairings can hurt your health. They can cause problems like poor digestion, your body not absorbing nutrients well, and even contribute to long-term problems like cancer and dementia. In this video, I'll tell you the 3 worst foods to pair with walnuts, pairings you should absolutely avoid. And I'll also share 3 perfect pairings that boost their health benefits. Think of a bad pairing like a wrong note in a Vivaldi symphony, while the right one is like the perfect pesto genovese. From boosting brain power and reducing inflammation to giving you a burst of energy, these pairings can really affect how walnuts work in your body. The worst pairing, apples. Let's start with apples, which turn out to be the worst match for walnuts. Many of us love to combine walnuts and apples for a seemingly nutritionally balanced breakfast. But the truth is different. We often choose foods known for their anti-aging properties. But sometimes we forget about a key nutrient, vitamin E. This vitamin is essential because it allows cells to store up to 43% of the oxygen they need, preventing free radicals from speeding up aging. Getting enough vitamin E is really important for staying young. It keeps your cells healthy, helps your blood vessels stay flexible, and protects your red blood cells. It also helps your platelets heal cuts and fight off infections. It's interesting to know that walnuts are at the top of the list for vitamin E. They have 15 times more vitamin E than other nuts. Apples, on the other hand, are full of vitamins B and C, but they get digested much faster than walnuts. Have you ever felt bloated after eating apples with walnuts, even though you know they're both healthy foods? This is because walnuts, which digest slowly, and apples, which digest quickly, create gas during digestion, leading to discomfort. It's better to enjoy them separately. Kind of like when you savor a good wine with the right pairing, we wouldn't want to ruin everything with the wrong combination. The best pairing, number 1, tomatoes. Think of an ideal partner for walnuts, tomatoes. We mentioned the antioxidant benefits of walnuts earlier, but what's even more impressive is their ability to reduce inflammation and prevent the spread of harmful cells. Think about it. Why is it so important to manage vascular health and cholesterol? High levels of bad cholesterol can clog your arteries, cutting off nutrients and oxygen to your organs. This not only increases the risk of arteriosclerosis, stroke, and heart disease, but it can also fuel the growth of harmful cells. Recent research links cholesterol to the spread and return of diseases, making it essential to eat foods that help remove excess cholesterol. Imagine trying to remove a grease stain without the right cleaner. Only healthy fats can clean cholesterol, which is like grease, from your arteries. That's where walnuts come in, rich in unsaturated fatty acids like omega-3. Walnuts help remove cholesterol buildup. Tomatoes, containing lycopene, a fat-soluble pigment that needs healthy fats to be absorbed, are the perfect partner, each boosting the other's benefits. So, think of a tomato salad with walnuts, or a simple snack of sliced tomatoes with walnuts. The worst pairing, number 2, anchovies. Let's continue. Another food to avoid mixing with walnuts is anchovies. This might seem surprising since many people like to add walnuts to dishes with sautéed anchovies for extra flavor. Even though the flavors might seem tasty together, it's not a good match nutritionally. Anchovies are packed with calcium, earning them the nickname Calcium King, with levels over 10 times higher than other fish and 5 times that of milk. Calcium is super important for building strong bones and keeping them dense. But as we get older, our bodies don't absorb calcium as well. It doesn't matter how much calcium you eat. If your body can't absorb it, you won't get any of the benefits. The problem arises when walnuts enter the picture. Walnuts contain folic acid, which interferes with calcium absorption by binding to the calcium in anchovies, creating insoluble compounds that your gut can't absorb. This means you end up losing the nutritional benefits of the anchovies. The best pairing, number 2, red beans. The second best pairing for walnuts is red beans. When you think of walnuts, you might imagine a warm, sweet walnut pastry, a treat as good for your taste buds as it is for your health. Walnuts are amazing for your brain health, partly because they're packed with unsaturated fatty acids, including omega-3 and alpha-linolenic acid, which make up about 60% of the structure of your brain's neural cells. Eating walnuts nourishes the building blocks of your brain, preventing nerve cell damage and keeping your mind sharp. They stimulate the hippocampus, the memory center, improving logical thinking and reasoning. But here's where red beans come in. It doesn't matter how strong your brain cells are. If the blood vessels that feed them are clogged with toxins, the benefits are lost. Think of the streets of Rome during rush hour. If the roads are blocked, nobody gets where they're going. Red beans, known for their cooling properties and ability to remove waste, help rid the body of these toxins, just like a good street sweeping clears the roads. Notice the foam when you boil red beans? That's saponin, an antioxidant similar to components of ginseng, which is abundant in red beans. A real natural cleanser. When paired with walnuts, red beans help disperse heat and toxins around the head and chest, ensuring that the beneficial effects of walnuts for the brain reach your cells. Like a good cup of coffee after lunch, which helps you think better. In addition, red beans are a rich source of vitamin B1, the brain vitamin, which perfectly complements walnuts. A real treat for the mind, like a nice walk by the sea. Third worst pairing, milk. Lastly, let's look at the worst food pairing with walnuts, milk. While walnuts offer plenty of vitamins B and E along with essential minerals, they are low in protein. You might think mixing them with milk is a good idea, but actually pairing walnuts with red beans or soybeans is more beneficial. Why should you avoid drinking milk with walnuts? Walnuts contain an anti-nutrient called phytic acid, a natural compound designed to protect the nut, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and upset digestion when combined with other foods. Specifically, when the phytic acid in walnuts meets the casein in milk, they clump together, causing discomfort and blocking calcium absorption, thus negating the benefits of the milk. There are 2 ways to handle this. One option is to boil the walnuts before eating them. Boiling them softens the walnuts and reduces the activity of phytic acid, which helps with calcium absorption from the milk. Also, the manganese in walnuts helps with bone strength, and when paired with milk, it helps fight osteoporosis, creating a great combination for bone health. The third best pairing, bananas. Finally, the most recommended pairing for walnuts is bananas. Although it might seem unusual, the combination of walnuts and bananas has become a popular duo for an energy boost, just like a dynamic duo in sports. Whether you enjoy them together for breakfast or blend them into a smoothie, the benefits are remarkable. Bananas are appreciated for their high fiber content, which helps you feel full for longer. In addition to fiber, bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, nutrients that quickly replenish energy in your muscles. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium, and when combined with walnuts' ability to eliminate cholesterol buildup, the result is a powerful nutritional synergy. Also, the magnesium in bananas can help improve your mood and alleviate depression, a benefit that pairs well with the vitamin B in walnuts, known to reduce tiredness and support gut health. The unsaturated fats in walnuts also stimulate nerve connections between the gut and the brain, playing a key role in preventing depression, and promoting mental well-being. To wrap things up, when paired correctly, walnuts can be a fantastic addition to your diet. Avoid bad combinations like apples, anchovies, and milk, and choose instead tomatoes, kidney beans, or bananas to fully enjoy their amazing health benefits. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and share your favorite walnut recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.